So I was having a conversation earlier today at work with a coworker of mine, the maintenance dude, and we were talking about just artistic stuff. He told me he used to be in a band, and I told him that I draw and stuff. So we were correlating our viewpoints on things, and we eventually got to the topic of how playing or drawing anything original means nothing to anybody, and that only doing cover or fan art is the only way to really make money or get noticed. And it was at that point in the conversation that I kind of really realized something, or that I confirmed something. I mean, it's not like I didn't already know. I guess I just kind of reminded myself of it, and I thought it would have make a good video conversation or topic. So basically, what I'm getting at is that everything that we watch, everything that we listen to, everything that we fucking eat, everything that we play is based on monkey see, monkey do. And you'll know that term from your childhood, most likely. It's basically what humans do, because humans are fucking predictable, right? So in a way, it's kind of fucking sad, to be honest. And it also applies to the whole black pill thing when it comes to topics such as Lone Wolf and LBP always talk about how nobody wants to fucking watch videos about complaining about original things. They only want to watch or engage with videos um, about, complaining about women. And he's totally right. They're both totally right. Um, or I guess just drama in general. Um, but yeah, basically everything that we enjoy is because it's monkey see, monkey do. It's fucking ridiculous. That people in general are not willing to give original ideas a chance anymore unless it's made by some kind of publisher or some kind of official team of, filled with talent, then published by some well-known company or whatever. Um, like there's plenty of examples of this, such as music artists, um, anime OCs that are not famous that I personally like. Um, I don't like I could go on and on, but even my fucking Asian female, like she's fine as hell, right? But nobody gives a shit because she's just not made by some, I don't know, some multi-million-dollar company, not published through some company, and she's not shoved in your face by some fucking advertisement. So yeah, I don't know. I guess if she were like a porn star, she would probably be famous. But then again, I probably wouldn't like that. So I'm okay with her not being famous, because she's mostly for me. And yeah, fuck other people anyway. So But yeah, it was just something that I wanted to talk about, like this kind of monkey see, monkey do kind of thing can apply to anything that humans do, and it'll be a never-ending cycle for as long as time exists. It'll just keep happening over and over and over again. You can also apply it to the stupid iPhone standard that's been, around ever since it came out. iPhone releases 2007, Android copies, and it's just an ongoing cycle. um, Apple made AirPods. There's companies that try to copy it, but there's some out there that make their own. They're not as famous. Um, but yeah, everybody likes that generic white plain look that the AirPods have. So you monkey see, monkey do, pretty much. Um, I don't know. It's like I don't know if I'm personally guilty of this, but I do like a lot of things that might be considered, I don't know, common interests, such as killing zombies. But I don't really um, like a zombie game, like when it's not realistic enough, I guess. Like Killing Floor 2 is a love and hate thing for me. Um, the reasons I hated it is because the developers didn't fucking keep their promises in the beginning. So yeah, I kind of took a break from it, but yeah, now I'm back on it. Currently taking a break from it again, just because I have other stuff that I'm wanting to play at the moment. Um, but yeah, I like a lot of zombie games. Don't really care for Left 4 Dead 2 too much. I think it's fucking stupid. But there's a lot of fucking people out there that love it and probably regard it as the best zombie game ever made. But I think Left 4 Dead 2 is trash. I think Left 4 Dead 1 is way better. And the reason people will never understand it is, well, a few reasons. Number one, they got into the series late. Number two, they just don't understand the difference in Excuse me, they don't understand the difference in hitboxes. Um, and number three, the survivors suck, and also the special infected suck. They're just fucking dumb and retarded to me. Um, and I know you can play as Left 4 Dead 1 survivors any map you want, but that doesn't fucking matter to me. With mods and shit, but if without mods, if you were just to play the console version, you could only play Left 4 Dead 1 maps on Left 4 Dead 2 with Left 4 Dead 1 survivors. It's and you would have all the access to the new guns and shit. But still, it's fucking garbage in my opinion. Um, I don't know. There's like a multitude of other things that I could add into the discussion in terms of like what is considered monkey see, monkey do, but um, yeah, I don't know. Everything is just, everything is just that way. And I kind of feel like that's the whole thing that me and this coworker were talking about, especially with artwork or anything being artistic. Like, it's always fucking copy and succeed, copy and succeed. It's never anymore about being original and fucking succeeding. Like, you can try your best to be original and nobody will give a shit. It's so fucking stupid and fucking lame as hell. Like, the human race right now is a fucking embarrassment in my opinion. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say on that topic. So, just monkey see, monkey do. That's all pretty much our existence right now, especially in 2023. On YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, copying 60, no originality. It's fucking retarded.